I'm just stuck here in a dream. I'm just stuck here in a dream.
It's 2-Minute Tuesdays on real estate investing with me, Peter Pomikach. Every Tuesday, or every Tuesday that I can make it, I'll bring you information, news that you could use, entertaining stories from the people and places that can provide valuable insight. I've been investing in real estate for over 10 years. Like all real estate investors, there's ups, downs, euphoria, successes, tragedies, disappointments. All the emotions are there. Some of you watching have massive experience, are experts in their field. Some of you are just getting started. Some of you are involved in some aspect, and some of you are just thinking about it. This would be a great opportunity for you to learn what some people have gone through. Myself, I'll tell you some stories. So how did I get started in real estate investing? Well, I started it with student rentals with my buddy James. That's a whole other story that I'll give you at another episode. So let's begin this inaugural 2-Minute Tuesday with the top 10 reasons why real estate investing now. Here we go. Drum roll. Okay, I'm gonna have to read this because I'll forget. Doing this video, I'll forget. Number 1, time tested for centuries. Number 2, hottest market in my lifetime and probably yours. Number 3, wealth opportunities for anyone. Number 4, ultimate way to build wealth. Number 5, tax advantages. Number 6, works when you sleep. That's my favorite. Number 7, best hedge against inflation. Number 8, refinance capabilities. Number 9, best way to build credit. And number 10, you can start with no money. Is that all? There's more? There is more on another episode, but there are others. There's so many. And there you have it. Our first inaugural, well, to be inaugural, really, it is the first. Our first video, done. I think we blew the 2 minutes. Anyways, we're not going to be really strict on 2 minutes. It could be a little more, it could be a little less. But anyways, you get it. So until next time, I wish you all success, peace. No, it's this way. So that's it, our first video, the inaugural video of 2-Minute Tuesday. I wish you all success, be well. Thank you for watching. Peace, and until next time.
I'm just stuck here in a dream. I'm just stuck here in a dream. Here in a dream.